welcome back to my channel. So I just got back from the Gold Coast and I am going to reorganize this playpen, somehow make it so they can't jump out from the top of the pen. Hi. And clean the whole apartment again. I do it when I'm stressed. The apartment looks like a bomb at the moment, but that's okay. And I have my scissors, I'm ready to go. We're going to get this started. Wish me luck. And my lens is dirty. I'm so sorry, you guys. I'm a hot mess. I made a fortress for the bunnies. Thanks, Julian. You're the best. Oh. Bunnies, do you want some? No? You guys are good? I got spaghetti. No? Okay. Good morning. I need to clean my lens. Off to work. Another week. Almost Christmas. I realized I didn't film what I did, so I put this fence. I think it was, this one was $14 at Bunnings. It's 1 meter high, 3 meters long. So they have a runaround size enclosure and the toilet. I put a cardboard divider between here so they can't see each other. There's the dining table. Sorry, it's so messy. Please don't look. Says the person that puts it on the internet. Okay, and this one is, I think, $13 or $12 from Bunnings as well. I like this material a bit better because this one's very strawy, and I feel like I could get, I guess, little bits of wood stuck in my finger. But this is Betsy's area, same kind of situation. So they both have an inside section, an inside enclosure, and a runaround outside enclosure. Betsy's side has more of a wider runaround and less of a runway, while Snoopy prefers the runway a bit better. She's a bit more of a hider, so I tried to give her a square more just to accommodate it. And that's what she likes. She doesn't like being too close to the toilet. So I tried to, you know, make it a bit more comfortable so she could be underneath the table but not right next to her hay and food. So yeah, and they've been pooping a lot and peeing a lot, so I know that they are happy. They've been eating lots too. Yeah. And the tunnel, I can stretch it out. Hi, Betsy. You look like a teddy bear. She destroyed her little bed. Oh my god, you're so cute. Are you going to toss your teddy? They love tossing the teddy around. Hi. Hello, Miss Active. What are you doing? And I'll switch them out, I guess, every month until they're besties again. So cute. So yeah, this is the enclosure. It's a bit more tidy. See what'll happen. And you can kind of see a little bit through the, I guess, what are they called? Bamboo something. Bamboo fence. And we have the dining table in the middle. From this side, it doesn't look like we have a dining table, but we do. Works perfect. And their hay, their food, their snacks, and their toilet gear is all there next to their bin. We're back in Hunter Valley at VOCO. This is somewhere new that I'm staying, and apparently it is puppy friendly. They do a lot of weddings. They have this cute little cottage-like estate. It reminds me of where I used to work at Conunga Valley Vineyard at O'Reilly's on the Gold Coast. So yeah, we're gonna go and check in, and they even have a cute fountain. So this is going to be the hotel tour of VOCO in Hunter Valley. Of water features, they do weddings, parties, corporate events and things. So let's go inside. You can see vineyards way over there. observation? Is this where I...
Yes, that's how you
Excellent.
do it. So your room is being taken care of.
Yes.
I'll have you staying 2 nights.
Yes.
Yeah, you're on Friday.
Oh wow, thank you so much. That is so cute. So we are staying at the manor house. There's a cute little eye. Let's see. Such a cute entryway. Looks like it's a house conversion. It's so cute. I love the color scheme. So, there's one in the closet. I think this is my room. It's my room. Let's see. So we're in the corner. See what it's like. Wow. Alright. My goodness. Alright, let's do a proper room tour. So we have the entrance, and to the left we have the fridge, the minibar. I don't know if there's anything in here. Oh yes, there is. There's snacks, Rocky Road. What's this? Oh, it's chocolate. Wine, or which one is it? Must be a local wine, I presume. Wow. Even the Coke bottles are metal, not metal, glass. My God, I am tired from work. Out and about. This is like a very Veuve Clicquot kind of color scheme. And we have robes. It's always nice to have a robe. And let's turn on this. This is the bathroom. Ooh, I do like that. It's very cute. And a shower, shampoo and conditioner by Avita. Okay. They even have a handheld. So cute. And a police. I love this brand. This one and Aesop. They're both competitively good. Hi. Welcome to Hunter Valley VOCO. I don't even know if I'm saying it right, but we'll see. If you're happy with your town. Okay. Beautiful photo of a horse. They apparently have a stable here as well. Nice flat screen TV by Philips. I love this. Such a cute, adorable, simple, chic, bougie accent piece. And wow, so this is the bed. This looks gorgeous. It's nice and big. Before you go, so kind of a housekeeping note. Look at these side drawers. I mean, oh wow, it's like material. Velvet kind of material. There's a mirror here. A cute couch. Everything is very square, kind of, I guess, design. TV cabinet. Wow, it's like a mix of old and new because they have like old appliances, but it looks vintage, chic, and clean. Hi. I have a table, Kirkton Park, because that's where I am at. Wine menu and everything. And this is my view. Oh wow, I like this. Let's have a look. Wow. Oh, hi. This is absolutely gorgeous. I feel like I'm by myself here. Wow. So we all share the balconies. because it is a manna. 7 p.m. Still bright as day. So pretty. And I have a bird here. I don't know if you guys saw at the start of the vlog that is nesting above my light. So there it is. Hey. So it just keeps going back and forth. But yeah. Hi, it's almost Christmas. It's a month away from Christmas and it's daylight at 7 p.m. Still pretty though. So room service has arrived and I decided to put it out here. So I decided to have dinner on the balcony. It's still so bright outside. This is Australian Christmas, summer, in December and November. The sun goes down super late, which is good. Yeah. So first we have our pork ribs with grilled pineapples. Looks so good. Let me put this down here. So, wow. It's a decent serving. And then I also ordered dessert. That is so cute. It is a lemon meringue with coconut. Lemon meringue with coconut sorbet. So this is my dinner with the view. I feel so spoiled. Wow. I'll just pork rib. Oh wow, it just falls off the bone. Wow. That's on this pineapple. Legit. I need to try this. Coconut soda. Wow. That's intense. That is so good. It's like very refreshing yet creamy at the same time. Mine is delicious. I thought I ordered lemon meringue, but I think I ordered the cheesecake. But it's still really, really good. Wow. I couldn't decide between a meringue or a cheesecake, so that's what happened. But this is sparkling water, by the way.